Hello again, it's me Jeanette, and today I have the Chirpy birds. So let's see which one we got. I brought some batteries because usually these Pets Alive don't come with batteries. I'm pretty sure this one doesn't. So cuddly talking birds that repeat what you say. Surprise bird poop, slime and stickers. So these clues they come with kinetic sand, and the kinetic sand in this case is supposed to be bird poop. It says Pets Alive Chirpy birds have a sweet song to sing for their new BFF. Hatch open these cuddly cuties and they'll each sing you 2 sweet songs, or chat to them and they'll chat back. Which Chirpy bird will you hatch? Okay, so let's see which one we get. I think there's 4? Yeah, there's 4. There's 4 different ones you can get. Oh yeah, of course the cat wants the paper. Gracie. Let me see. This thing does not come all the way down, so I'll have to pull it more. Okay, so now I got the egg with the feet out. The pretend feet. So let's see. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, okay, it's a really cute one. So it comes with a little certificate and and a little booklet on how to do it. So this is the cutie that I got. Oh, this is so soft. It looks like a blanket. This is a really cute one. Okay, this one is named Normie. So this is Normie. Cute. Okay, so let's see what he came with. He came with some sticker pack of all his friends, him and his friends. And this must be, yeah, there's the poop. Okay, blue bird poop, kinetic sand. A little comb so it can be combed. And nothing else, just the feet on the thing, the egg that you can put them back into if you want. So let me open him up and get some batteries in him, so we can play with them. Oh, I'm glad I got this one. This one's so cute. I wanted either this one or the flamingo looking one. Okay. So these 3 AA, I think that's, yeah, there's 3 AAA, triple A, yeah. 3 triple A's. Let's get these in here. And spring back on. Hi, Gracie. You want a bird? Okay, so let's see. Oh, she's scared of it. Okay, let's see what else she plays. Or he. You hear that, Gracie? Okay, so 2 little tunes. Let's see. I think this is one of the ones where you push it twice and then it can start repeating. Hello?
Hello?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
Do you like me?
You like me?
Look how cute I am.
Look how cute I am.
Okay.
Okay.
So, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe for more. Super adorable. Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Super adorable.
Adorable.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.